Hello everyone. Now, this pension drive has contained a lot of files, but we just need several folders and a little amount of data from this pension drive. So we don't need to image the whole drive because this pension drive is 6 TB. It will take a lot of time if we image the whole drive. So at this situation, we can enter the file extraction interface. We can find out there are a lot of folders and files. And we just need this folder and also this folder. Okay, we just need these two folders, for example. So what to do to image these two folders? Sometimes if the pension drive has good situation, we can recover selected files easily. But sometimes, if the drive is very unstable and has a lot of bad sectors, at this time, if we continue extracting the lost folders and files, this will damage the head further and cause a lot of bad sectors further. And finally, this will cause the permanent data loss. So we need to protect the source drive. So at this time, when the drive has a lot of bad sectors and unstable, we need to use file image. We just image these two folders only. Here we need to check this menu, mark selected files, and we need to select one target drive. We can create one VHD. Then we select this VHD as target drive. Click OK. Now this VHD is now used as the target drive to put these two folders. So we will use the file image and use this VHD as target drive. The software is preparing to mark these two folders, and here file list we can find the software is marking all the files in the selected two folders. So we just need to wait a little bit. We can see the status running, so we need to wait until the files marking completes. Now the software is asking, mark the files in the list as valid data. Yes, because we will use the data only, valid data only image. We just need to wait a little bit, and in the log window we can see here the two folders contains about 114 MB. So this is the size, the file size of the selected two folders. So we just need this small amount of data. So we don't need to image the whole drive. We just need to image these two folders. Please remember, this one is used when the drive is unstable and has a lot of bad sectors. If the drive has just a few bad sectors or has good health, users just need to right-click and recover them directly. Okay? Now we have marked all the files we need and marked them as valid data. At this time, we go to disk image and select the settings for disk image. Okay, we just configure this one simply and select data only sectors. Then we click OK. After that, we click Start. Then the software will start to image the two folders we just selected. So this one is very easy. And this is the whole process how we use the file image in the latest Dolphin data recovery software. Okay, thank you for watching the video.